Boom blast, you know, it's your boy Wayne back again with another video, you know, representing Dime. Today we'll be changing the rear brake pads on the 2006 Nissan Altima 2.5S limited edition. Yeah, right now we have a little metal to metal action going on back here, so they need to be changed ASAP.
I don't think they can see it, but it's kind of trash, bro. Yeah. Look at that.
And later on, I might just change the rotors, but for now, doing them brake pads, I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Well, I hope I know how to do it.
That's how you know it's Dime videos, bro.
Yeah.
We gonna figure it out along the way.
Along the way. That's how we do it.
Yes, sir. It's hot.
So if you at home and you want to learn how to do stuff on your car, if you can pull it apart, you can put it back together.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
So I done pull apart some stuff I didn't know how to put back together.
Yeah. But I think that's kind of how I learned some things that I know about cars.
True. Turn the
don't ever forget jacking up the car. Don't forget these.
Turn it the other way.
Safety first.
See, this is why I don't like taking my tires off, because every time I take it off, I feel like I gotta change them, because there's always something stuck in it.
Yeah.
That thing right there.
See this bolt right here? Oh shit.
Can't find it.
It's right here, but something is in the way.
Camera kit.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to use this.
It's a 14, right?
It's 14? Yeah. I'm gonna try to use this. Hopefully it works.
Need a hammer?
Yeah.
I think we got one here somewhere. Cool. Ain't that your hammer too?
I think so. Here we go.
It works, bro. So they really wanted people to take the camera kit off? That's crazy.
Yeah.
It's a lot of work. It's some brake pads.
Just for some brake pads, bro. And yeah, you have to take off the bottom bolt, not the top one.
Yeah.
And you're gonna see why in a second.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm kinda hungry.
Oh shit.
Stuck?
Tell me they want you to take off the...
They really want you to take this camera kit off.
Well, I'm about to see, hold on.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
So you gotta jack up this,
The whole hub
yeah, the whole hub
to get it out.
to get this bolt out.
It's crazy.
Weird stuff. It was never like this when I had the Accord. Just came right out.
And they'll be making it easy for us, man.
Shit, I cut my hand every time I work in a car. Every time.
This is facts.
No joke.
This is facts.
Facts. Oh my goodness. Look at that thing.
Stud. Look what I'm gonna drive on, bro.
Look at that. Straight metal.
To metal, bro.
That's crazy.
Well, I need some routers in the day.
Yep. Do I have to spring you?
Yeah, I'm thirsty again.
Yeah.
Huh? Some what?
Brake cleaner.
Brake cleaner?
Oh, yeah.
Nope. I do not. Come on, therapy gloves, dog. Watch out.
You have 2 finger check with that one. Hold on. 2 fingers in that check and I see him.
I want this one. If you need fence,
He's like, hold
on. You see the fence over there, so? Oh man.
I don't know, there's some kind of powder on this shit.
I don't pour them on them dash up here, dogs.
Island or tempo.
The man just a obia works, isn't it?
I was about to say, this is like too much bricks in it. Alright, boom.
Boom shot.
Yeah, you got this big ass C-clamp.
Yeah, it was the cheapest one in the store.
I'm pretty sure mine was cheaper than yours. Mine's smaller.
Yeah, yours is cheaper.
AutoZone.
Advance forget that the cheapest one in our store. They had some smaller ones that were like probably more sturdy-ish, kinda. But that one, yeah, take that.
I'm gonna need it for a major job, just with the brakes.
Brakes, man, I do my youth.
Alright, boom. So now what you wanna do, you wanna use your C-clamp to release the pressure in the brake line. Cool. I'll push this back. Get out of my ass.
Take that
I think
paper off if you want. First the paper off, man.
alright, this is what I'm about to do. With that old brake pad. This is right behind you.
On the left side.
So I'm about to use this. And do that.
You could just put it on the inside or on the edge, maybe.
There we go. That one in there, Arthur's one, Jamaican.
Now what?
Yeah, Arthur's one.
Yeah. Garfield.
Garfield. Jamaican name that.
Look, put him on name tag. If me never hear an accent before, I'm pretty sure that name means saying come from Jamaica. The man named Garfield in that.
Garfield, dog.
I have to wonder if some people do that when the man name them. Like you really look at the little picture and say,
Oh, name you Garfield.
Garfield. Why you stuck in there now?
Yeah.
There we go.
I think it's flat enough.
Yeah, it should be good.
Boy, this was just about getting there too.
Mm-hmm.
Just getting there. Alright, but let's just replace them. So when you get the lube, which we just went and bought, you're gonna apply it to this area. Not this area.
Please
The
don't
back.
put it over there.
The back of the brake pad.
Yeah.
These are different.
Brake pad the Fatima.
I mean, this is gold. Gold brand. Well, gold quality. I told my mom not to get a cheaper one.
Winston.
Go gold or go home.
Winston Jeffrey. Graffy. I really feel wonder about them here, you know. Although I know some Winston, you know.
No, Winston to my uncle.
Yeah, me have a brother named Winston.
That sounds like an old man name, dude.
It is an old man name. That's the problem.
Boy, this look like it's not the right.
Like the clump feet. Yo, I don't think that fit like here, you know? Honestly, that don't like to fit like that.
I hope it's not the front.
I'll go on, you know. Try that one day. But other way, yeah. If what up? I think they look big, dog.
Yeah, dude.
Are you mother go buy? You know what the looks there? God, that is a like a universal fit type of thing.
Yeah. Boy.
But they look huge, bro. But alright, we have met a technical difficulty here, so we are going to take a break again and figure this out.
Yeah, cause look at this. Totally different.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
This is what, part 2 of trying to change these brake pads. Give you just like a little recap of yesterday. Actually, I'll just show you the video from yesterday and we can just not talk about it. But yeah, we about to do this again and do it properly this time.
Show them how it's done.
Here we go. Got the new brake pads in. Yes, sir.
See how they're looking?
Looking nice.
Alright, now we're gonna use this seat clamp. Should be easier today. Rain look like you wanna fall. So we're trying to hurry up.
Yes, sir.
Just compressing this, pushing it back. Boom. There you go.
Boom blast.
Boom blast.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Boom.
Brake change, brother.
Thing good again.
You see me?
Now on to the next side. The next side, it don't need to be changed right now, but you know.
Why change only one brake pad?
Yeah, like why not?
I don't even think that makes sense to just change one. So
Yeah.
next side.
Uneven stopping power. You have it. New brake pads. Alright, guys. That's it. Hope you guys learned something. And
yeah.
Good luck out there and be safe.
We're on the season. Y'all stay safe, man. I think that's it.
Again, follow us, dime.media on Instagram. And again, you'll see our separate Instagram pages, personal Instagram pages. So you can follow us also.
Or over here somewhere, maybe.
Yeah. We'll see you next time. Boom blast.